Hello students, in the previous class we have learned about RAM. In today's class we will discuss about ROM. So guys, I already told you in my previous video, most of the students read it ROM. Guys, ROM is a wrong pronunciation. The correct pronunciation is ROM. So keep this point in your mind. So let's start. The full form of ROM is read only memory. Guys, ROM is non-volatile memory. It is permanent memory and always retains its data. And ROM used in embedded system or where the programming needs no change. And ROM is also used in calculator and peripheral devices. What is peripheral devices, guys? All the external devices are called peripheral devices. ROM is further classified into 4 types, that is MROM, PROM, EPROM, double EPROM. Guys, the full form of MROM is mask ROM. The full form of PROM is programmable read-only memory. EPROM, erasable programmable read-only memory. Double EPROM, electrically erasable programmable read-only memory. So guys, now we will discuss each of them one by one. So the first one is PROM. PROM stands for programmable read-only memory. So PROM is a read-only memory chip that can be written only once by a user. The difference between it and the read-only memory is that PROM is manufactured as a blank memory while the ROM is programmed during the manufacturing process. Guys, this is very important point. So listen again. The difference between it and it means what? PROM. The difference between PROM and ROM is that PROM is manufactured as a blank memory while the ROM is programmed during the manufacturing process. The user buys a PROM, the user will need a special device called a PROM programmer or PROM burner to write the desired data onto the blank PROM chip. So, move to the next one, that is EPROM. EPROM, the full form of EPROM is erasable programmable read-only memory. So guys, EPROM is a special kind of read-only memory chip that can erase the program data and can be reused. The data can be erased and reprogrammed by using UV light. UV light means ultraviolet light. The UV light clears the data on the chip so that it can be reprogrammed. For writing and erasing data on the EPROM, we need a particular device. Just keep this point in your mind. The device is known as PROM programmer, and EPROM is a type of ROM chip that can retain the data even if there is no longer power supply. So guys, move to the next topic, that is actually this is the next part of ROM, that is double EPROM. Double EPROM stands for electrically erasable programmable read-only memory. So guys, the data can be erased by applying electric field, no need of ultraviolet light. In double EPROM, there is no need of ultraviolet light, there is no need of UV light. We can erase only portions of the chip. Double EPROM retains its content even when the power is turned off. So guys, this is all about the ROM. Now we will move to the next topic in the next class. Thank you so much. Have a good day. Stay safe, stay healthy. Bye bye.